welcome to my cooking show. So, I know that you guys are probably bored at home, and I'm bored too. So, I'm going to be doing some tutorials, maybe 1 to 2 times a week on how to make some stuff. So today's tutorial is a protein smoothie after you get that workout in. So let's get straight into the video. It doesn't matter how much milk you use, because if you use too much milk, your smoothie is gonna be a smoothie-est. And if you use a little bit of milk, your smoothie is gonna be thick. And then you're gonna take your banana. It doesn't have to be frozen. I don't like bananas that much, but it gives the smoothie a little bit of flavor. Just take your berries of your choice. Any fruit will do. The whole bag is about a 4th cup. If there's something that you want me to make, we're just doing this because it's the first video and it's pretty easy to do. Comment it down below. I'm down to try anything. Hold on, let's get the lights on. That's better. Alright, so let's clear our space. Now that it's semi-clear, we are going to blend. If you have protein powder, I don't have protein powder. You can dump some in there, however much you want. Wait, where's the blender? So now that we got our blender, our fruit, so we're gonna turn it on. Blender is acting up. So we are going to, that looks blended enough. Yeah. So now you're gonna get yourself a cup. There it is. And you're gonna pour it out. You can use a straw. You can use a straw, you can use a spoon, whatever floats your boat.
Whatever suits your food.
Ooh, get that in slow motion. If it's not sweet enough for you, you can add your own honey, sugar, I don't know. It's rough.
Keep like that.
What?
Here's the reason why we haven't posted since October of last year. Is because Thanos snapped his fingers so that only I can disappear. It was right after we finished that Halloween video, and I had just pressed upload, and it uploaded the video, and then I just felt myself. I felt real tingling, and I was sitting on the couch, and I just breezed away, and luckily Brock got it on camera. He got a picture of it. Here's the picture right here. Then all of a sudden I just came back, and I came back like a few weeks ago. I tried to go to the store because I was hungry, and they wouldn't let me in because they said I need a mask. So somebody catch me up on what's been going on. If you want me to make something, I will make it. Hopefully you enjoyed your berry smoothie. It might not look good, but it tastes great. Just like Tony said. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe please. Comment down below what you want me to make. Please do it. Comment down below any video you want me to make, even if it's not a chef video. Thank you for watching. We out.